Dean with I Buy Cool Stuff. Just got a recipe from Deer Camp for you. Hope you enjoy it. Well, we're trying a little different camera, just putzing around. Going to show you how I make breakfast, corned beef hash. So I use two basic ingredients, hash brown patties and corned beef hash. And if you take the lid off of the cans, you can put the lid back on to keep the leftovers, because I never eat a whole can at once. So I put a couple patties on the griddle that I use up here at Deer Camp. There we got our corned beef. I don't know if I can get it out of here one hand. There we go. So we'll take that, flip these over a little bit. Mostly interested in them getting thawed. We'll break the corned beef up. Pretty simple. And it'll break up really fine. Just takes a minute. As it gets warm, it basically falls apart. But I kept it in the fridge. And I saved the can. The cans are very nice. The lids go back on them. So you can use them for storing stuff. And then we'll break up the hash browns. I don't care for the canned corned beef hash. It seems like it's got too much water in it, in my opinion. So we'll break this up. Break that up. And just kind of, I guess maybe that's what they call it, hashing it all together. It's starting to break up, starting to warm up a little bit. And both these products are basically cooked when you get them. The corned beef definitely is. You can eat that raw right out of the can. But I use the hash browns for regular breakfast. My brother had this little griddle here. We set up at the flea markets and stuff. And he was set up and he had this griddle out for $3. I'm like, what are you talking about? I said, $3, that beautiful old griddle? And it is aluminum, which is fine for this. If it had been cast iron, he'd have wanted a lot more for it. But you see how it's all coming together there? Ooh, some nice brownness. Like that, break it up a little bit. Like it clipped. Like my corned beef hash browned. Let's make us some toast to go with it. This is Deer Camp, so all guys here. In fact, they all deserted me. I'm here by myself right now. Corned beef hash, need a couple pieces of toast to go with it. You throw them right on the griddle. Looking good. Never needs no salt, but it can use some pepper. I like lots of pepper. My daughter loves pepper. I when she was little, I would let her put her own pepper on. I would not let her handle the salt because she got messed up the food, but I let her handle her own pepper, and she now loves pepper. So, oh yeah. I don't think you can make better corned beef hash than that. Really don't. Oh, let's move these. These actually need to go back in the freezer. Just grab it and flip it over. Nice. Nice. Corned beef hash a la deer camp. See if we can do this. So like I always say, like, comment, subscribe. God bless you. God bless America.